Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Evelyn and I am going to explain how to use Quizlet for students. We're going to see cooking verbs and we're going to do some of these activities for you to understand how to use it. As you can see, I haven't signed up because you can do all of the activities without a Quizlet account. That being said, sometimes a sign will appear that will recommend you to sign up, because if you sign up, you can keep a record of your progress. So it's a good idea to do so, but it's not compulsory. It's not an obligation. So we're going to start. First, we have flashcards, which are the actual definitions, and this is the actual vocabulary that you have to study. For example, in these cooking verbs, we have bake, and we have a picture and a definition. Boil, we have a picture and a definition. Some Quizlets don't have definitions, some Quizlets only have pictures, some Quizlets only have definitions, all right? In this Quizlet has both, a picture and a definition. So now we're going to go to learn, and here we're going to see two options, familiar and mastered. When a vocabulary is familiar, it means that you know about it, but you are not super ready to use it in a sentence. And mastered means that you have it completely clear and you know it perfectly. So in this case, to put something with something else, I would say add, so it's correct. Here, let's make it wrong. For example, beat or steer, look at the picture, let's make it wrong, let's say grill. So here it would say, as the correct answer is whisk, you have the sad face and says study this one because we said grill. Okay? This is what I was saying. Quizlet will tell you to lose your progress, to sign up, but you can. I clicked on the cross there and I can continue working with no problem. Let's move on to write. Here, I have to write the word. So in this case, I will write the word. This one is not grill because it is, as you can see, in inside an oven. So the correct answer will be roast. You have it here. The correct answer is roast. So you know if you have it correct or incorrect. Let's make it correct this time. So this one, to cook with vapor, steam, perfect. So here you have nothing. So let's move on. Let's go to spell. Here you will listen to the vocabulary and you have to write it.
Grill.
So this one is grill. Perfect.
Peel.
Let's write it wrong to see what happens. Peel. So it's incorrect.
Peel. P-E-E-L.
So there you have
Peel.
the correct pronunciation, and now you write it again.
Add.
So spell is really interesting. Test is an activity, is like an exam in which you have all the flashcards. So again, you have to write the word. For example, to cut into small pieces, you can write, I don't know, chop. To cook in an oven, bake, etc., etc. Here you have matching. So for example, grill is letter C, so you have it there. Multiple choice, here you choose the one you think. I am choosing just whatever, all right? And true and false, to heat liquids, is it peel? False. To cut food into small pieces, is it slice? True, etc., etc. And then you check the answers. Well, let's check it. So here you see the ones that were correct, the ones that were incorrect, and the grade you got. Then you have two games. One is a match and the other is gravity. In match, make everything disappear. So you have, I don't know, to cook with, you have roast, for example, here, tiki. You make it disappear. Add Can you see them? Chop, you make it disappear. Well, I hope you understood and you have time. And the final game is Gravity. Protect the planet from incoming asteroids. Well, you have the ones that you want, medium, easy, let's go. Let's see. So you have it here, for example, chop, and you have to write a definition or a picture. This is very difficult, right? To add, I don't know, to something else, or to cut into small pieces. Well, you get the idea, right? This is a bit difficult, but you can make it easier though. You can make it easier. For example, here you can answer with a definition, with a term, or random. So with a term, it's going to be much easier, right? So if you have the definition there, for instance, to coat with vapor, blah, 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 you know the answer is steam, so you got it right. Well, and basically this is it. This is very tiring, but if you don't want to make an account, you can click and click and click, and that's okay. You have, again, all the vocabulary at the bottom, so I think it's really fine. And, well, I hope this introduction is clear. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.